Okay guys, I've been standing on my wife's drawers and stuff because we're redoing her bathroom. But I want to see if this is going to do any good, this stripping gel. It says to shake well, all that stuff. It says to use gloves, eye protection, everything. But I'm just going to do a tiny little deal here just to see if this stuff works. Here in about 30 minutes or so, I'll put part 2 on there of me taking it off. Check it out. It says to put in a bowl and apply with a brush. So I'm just going to pour a little bit because I'm not going to get it all prepared and ready if this ain't going to work. It should sit here for 30 minutes, I think it said. And then take a scraper and scrape it off. This ain't really that hard to sand, but I'm just seeing if this does a better job. Put this on. See, it goes on like that. Just coat it on there. Since I'm just trying it out, that's all put on there for right now this minute. 30 minutes, see what happens. When I take it off, I'll go ahead and start part 2 and let you guys know how it went.